Oh, bunny burrito! Woo! Okay, here's the bonus part. Have you guys ever thought about what's the limit as x goes to 0 plus of x to the x power? And yes, this is a situation when we have a 0 and then raised to a 0 and then raised to another 0 power like this. What is this approaching to? Okay? And is this even an indeterminate form? And by the way, this kind of looks like a snowman, but anyway. If this is a new kind of indeterminate form, then we may have to do some new kind of calculus. But let's take a look at how to take care of this, okay? When we have x to the x power, it really means that we have this x for the base and then raised to the x power for the power like that, okay? I can just take the limit of the x right here. So let me write that down. In other words, we are looking at this as the limit as x goes to 0 plus, like this, of just this x, okay? And then we'll put this in a parentheses and then raise that to this power. And we can take the limit of that as well. So we'll take this raised to the limit as x goes to 0 plus of x to the x power. And the reason that, first of all, we can do that is because, once again, this is a continuous function. And second of all, we know this pretty well, okay? Because I showed you guys that earlier, and it's also in the video previously, right? And now, let's check this out. The limit as x goes to 0 plus of x is just equal to 0 for sure, right? And then we take that raised to what power? This, from earlier, well, from the previous video, you know this is approaching to 1. So in other words, we have 0 for the base and then raised to the first power like that. And now, what's 0 to the first power? Well, this is just equal to 0, right? So I just gave you guys another situation. Maybe earlier, a 0 to a 0 power approaching to 0, it's not enough for you. Now, 0 to a 0 to a 0, it approaches to 0, just like that. And now the question is it possible to have a 0 to the 0 to a 0's power to be approaching to a number that's not equal to 0? I will leave that to you guys and comment down below and let me know, right? That's it.